back in Ingalls.
We're here to cook a cake for Dad's Day.
Yes.
I didn't even realize it was Dad's Day. I didn't.
Crushed pineapple, a yellow cake mix. We're looking at the list here. He wants a pickin' cake. Isn't that fun?
Pig picking.
It's always warm at the rotisserie chicken section. Sometimes if you're cold when you're grocery shopping, you just go over there and pretend like you're looking for some chicken.
Yeah.
Get warm for a minute. They keep it freezing in here.
Yeah, they keep it cold. You got any of that cheese? I got it today, don't you?
Yes, that's it. The 3 peppers. Yeah, that's good.
We're going to get this right here. This is really good stuff.
Because sometimes late at night you want some cheese and crackers.
You wake up and want a little snack.
Pepperoni.
Well, a lot of times happens I may just be laying there and then all of a sudden just wide awake.
We hear crackers crunching in the kitchen. Here, is this it?
Yeah, this is where all the baking stuff is.
Yeah, I need a vanilla pudding.
Now they changed this right here and brought the vanilla pudding and all over here. It used to be way over yonder on the
It did.
Here's
I'm
vanilla.
seeing.
Right, here's vanilla.
Yeah, okay, good.
Is that it? That's
I was
right
seeing
one?
if they have Laura Lynn because it was only 88 cents, but they just have French vanilla in the Laura Lynn.
Okay.
The French vanilla probably wouldn't be bad, but we'll go with what it says.
The French come up with some good stuff. I don't care what nobody says. You got French vanilla, but don't forget about French fries, which is probably the best thing they've done for us.
Right.
Them French fries is on time.
And now they moved the cake mix. Okay, we need oil right here. Oil.
Let's don't forget about French onion.
French onion dip. Oh, French press coffee makers.
I ain't got no American dip.
Okay, and then the cake mix is on the next aisle over. Cake mixes.
Oh,
they moved it. Yeah, they moved it over here. It's like we were talking about the other day. They move stuff so that you have to move to different aisles.
You get used to shopping.
Right. And you know exactly where to go, you know?
Won't look at, other areas of the store. So,
So
what
they
do we
moved
need now,
a
baby?
yellow cake mix.
Yellow cake mix. Okay.
Because Dolly's got a favorite yellow, but her favorite yellow is $3.48. We got Betty Crocker's $1.88.
Let's just go with this.
Yeah, we'll go Betty Crocker.
Dolly's charging too much.
Right, just like at Dolly would.
Yeah. Just like them parking places at Dollywood.
Oh yeah.
It's almost like buying a house.
Crushed
you
pineapple.
pull in there and they be like, okay, and you be like, oh, okay, well look, I'm gonna go save up and come back so I can get me a parking spot here. Gold pass? I can't afford that. I don't have gold.
Right. We need some crushed pineapple. It used to be right across from the cereal, but it is not.
That might be.
Should say canned fruit.
I don't know about that. It might actually be on the other side.
They might have moved it all the way over. Oh, you know what? The lady at the checkout told us the other day she had to help somebody find the canned fruit, and I think they moved it way down there.
Here, I think. Yep.
Yeah, they moved the fruit to where the pudding was, the pudding to where the cornmeal and stuff was. It's just all confusing. They left them all in the same aisle. They don't want to confuse people too much. Cereal stayed the same.
Ain't nothing like some Fruit Loops.
Fruity Pebbles too.
Toucan Sam. Reminds me of my childhood.
Okay, let's see if canned fruit is right here.
I'm gonna talk to you. Here they are, baby. But look,
It
step
is.
on this side right here just
We might forget that crushed pineapple.
We ain't gonna forget that, but I want to tell people don't forget about this.
Oh yes.
You want to stay healthy? Right here it is. This is what you do. Sardines and served in water. I eat them several cans a week. Just say it.
We've asked
Oysters
them
too. Oysters too. I do this too.
Kindly eat those sardines on the back
Right here.
porch, because be careful, they will stink your house up.
Oysters.
Yeah.
Don't forget about oysters. Lots of vitamins. I like
Did you hear this from the doctor?
Doctors.
Your
Yeah.
body will love you.
Your
That
body.
one?
I love you. It wasn't that guy right there, but it was a doctor.
There's some Laura Lynn, 178.
Okay.
Crushed.
Crushed.
Yeah.
There.
But don't get is that can crushed?
Well, I mean, what do you mean?
Yeah, it's kind of dented.
Oh.
Get a non-dented.
We don't want you dented. We want a perfect can. Uh-oh. Can't get that one.
Okay. That one's okay.
A little bitty dent right here. Oh.
Is that it?
Y'all don't want me because my thumb?
Was that it?
And thumbs like
How
that's
do
what
you
pays
do
the
it?
bills. Have you got a raise lately? No.
I got more work-related injuries.
Yeah.
Mandarin oranges and whipped topping.
Whipped topping?
Oh yeah, whipped topping. Then we're done.
We're done.
It's gonna be in the freezer part, that kind.
Oh, we don't need the kind that you spray.
No.
Like blank check. Let's That's the first time I seen that stuff. No, probably home alone, sitting on that bed with that big old.
Oh yeah.
When I was little, that was the rich people kind of whipped cream. You didn't get that.
Oh yeah.
You just looked at it and be like, boy, what would that be like? I don't know. You got to wait 25 years.
Now he still gets excited when he sees it in the refrigerator.
Oh, I'll take it sometime to squirt it in my mouth.
Yeah,
Like
memories.
memories.
I waited my whole life. I waited my whole life for that whipped cream. That's good. Yeah, two would be good. You gotta quickly walk past this coffee ice cream. Wait. This is the biggest Lego thing you've ever built?
Yeah.
The biggest Lego?
It doesn't say, so I didn't use instructions.
Oh, you made this up out of your own head?
I did.
Amazing. It's a ninja training place?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
It didn't even take them that long.
That's nice. Did the doors open?
Of course they did.
Amazing. All right, y'all, time to make a pig picking cake. So if you've never heard of a pig picking cake, it's, they're pretty popular down here in the South. Probably elsewhere too, y'all have to let us know. But the reason it's called a pig picking cake, it has nothing to do with pig, you know, in the cake. There's no bacon in here. But it was served a lot during barbecues, so it ended up getting the name pig picking cake because they would be, you know, picking it right. That's exactly right. That's what they would be doing. So we'll get our pans floured, and then we'll get these cakes in the oven. It's going to be a 3-layer pig picking cake. You can do them 1 layer though, like in a 9x13 pan if you want to.
Can I help?
Yeah, you can help.
Since it ain't the hot part yet.
Yep, you sure can. You can use the mixer, but we're just going to mix this one by hand.
My hands are already clean.
Okay.
I cleaned them 2 times.
You did? Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Double clean, right?
Yeah.
They're double clean. 1/3 cup of water and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. 3
Look,
eggs.
It's stuck in that thing. It's looking so good.
Is
I
it?
want to eat it up. Whoa, is that a turkey egg?
Nope, it's a chicken egg. I'm draining this can of mandarin oranges, and we just need an 11-ounce can. This is 15 ounces, so I won't put quite all of these in there. Leave a little bit. Now we divide the batter into the 3 pans. Make sure we get some oranges in each one. Alright, these are going to go in the oven for just about probably 20 minutes. It's not going to take them long. I'll start checking them at about 12 to 15 minutes. Alright, it's a little while later. Cakes are cooled. We're going to make the frosting, so we have 2 8-ounce containers of whipped topping. I'm just going to put all this in here. The recipe only calls for 12 ounces, but I'm just going to go ahead and use all of it. We need 15 ounces of crushed pineapple. This is 20, so I am gonna not use all this can because I don't want it to get, you know, too liquidy with the frosting here. The last thing, this 3.4-ounce box of vanilla pudding. orange here. We're just gonna put some orange zest all over the top. Now we'll just take a little mint leaf and put it right in the middle. And there we go. Pickin Cake.
Really a good summer cake right there, man. That's really good.